My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the adware type application called ExpressionCargo. This particular adware belongs to the adload adware family, and it is the adware that attacks Mac computers. ExpressionCargo adware may be often bundled with certain free applications, and in many cases people download and install it pretty unintentionally. Also, it may be spread through fake software or browser update alerts. If you have discovered this program called ExpressionCargo in your Mac computer, you should immediately undertake the measures and get rid of it, because this adware, once installed, may start showing a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. It may also open new browser tabs and redirect you to many shady pages in the internet. To remove this ExpressionCargo, go to your Finder, go to Applications, find this program and right-click on it and move it to the trash. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it. Then the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and you need to click on Start Combo Scan button to begin the research of your computer. Combo Cleaner, by the way, is initially in the trial mode, but even the trial mode has got certain free features such as disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. The scanning itself might take several minutes depending on several factors, for instance depending on how infected your computer is and also depending on how many hard drives are being scanned. Anyway, at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats that were found. You will be able to know the exact locations of these threats. We strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license in order to remove all these threats altogether and automatically. Even though some threats can be indeed removed manually, premium license is the best solution to delete any other malware from your Mac computer.